Welcome to Vahas and Furious. Well, I'm at the 5th race of Hobbs Chapter 1. I can't believe I've done all the 4 races in one sitting, and I'm going to try the 5th one in the same sitting as well. Well, if the game is exciting, it happens. So, let's race. Quarry Blast is the name of the race, so probably it means there'll be grenades and rocks spewing here and there. Yeah. Okay, it looks like time to go hard or go home. Alright, I'll try to go hard. Oh, there's missile attack as well. And probably Quarry Blast. Okay. Things are gonna get ugly with this one. My goodness, what is happening? Oh man. Okay, wait a second. So many things are happening. The graphic accelerator is unable to handle it all at once. Wow, look at that turn. It's the first time I'm here in this location. Look at that. Very hard. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I'll make to the next checkpoint. This is going to be tight pass. Okay, I don't see anything. Come on, guys. Well, it is pretty hard. Let's see. Okay, a few seconds more. And I don't see the next checkpoint, so that's it. I don't see the next checkpoint anywhere in the vicinity. Alright, so I've completed all the 5 races in Hobbs Chapter 1. Okay, will I get the chapter case? I'm going to see, and if I'm going to get the chapter case, I will attach that video with this video. Alright, so Chapter 1 is done. So I'll see you guys in Chapter 2. I hope you had fun. I had. Thank you for watching.